Hi guys, it's Kim again at Kingsbridge, just bringing you a little bit more stock just to show you what we've just got in. So we've got a lovely Mini here, 2021 Mini Hatch John Cooper Works. As you can see, it's finished in the lovely midnight black with the red roof and red caps. What a stunning car this one is. It's also got massive spec on it, £8,000, sort of around 8 grams worth of options. Coming with your heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, panoramic roof, adaptive cruise control, rear view camera, navigation plus pack, comfort plus pack, front and rear parking sensors, and your ambient lighting, and so much more as well. Only got 2 owners, full BMW service history, just stunning. Look at it, absolutely lovely. Does finish well in the black, does this, to be fair, and the nice contrast on the red roof with your red calipers. Just a really nice car, lovely little sporty hatch, you know, very sought after, as you know, if you're looking for one. This is a lovely one, lovely example. Got your big pan roof on the top, which I'll show you when we get in. Got your twin tailpipes at the back. Just gives you everything that you could ever need, really. If you're looking for a Mini, there you go. 18-inch diamond cuts. It's just lovely. Nice big spoiler on the back. You can see the condition of it. Again, it kind of portrays what we do here. Find that car that's kind of unicorn to the industry, to that sort of market, knowing that it's the one people want. So, but look at it. Let's have a look inside. Show you the back seat. It's always good just to see. Never been sat in. Look, absolutely stunning. Lovely, lovely leather finish on this. Nice quilted with the diamonds. It's in good nick. Lovely, lovely, nice thick steering wheel as well in these. Good sort of handling. You've got your Harman Kardon sound system on here as well. So let's just get in it, show you a little bit more. I do like a Mini. You can't, I mean, to be fair, you can't beat a Mini. These are great. I did years and years and years and years ago. So there's your camera. Let's have a look. You've got your map. Obviously you've got all your bits and pieces here, look. Oh, let's go back again. Let's see what we've got here. As you can see there, it's got methodical, perfect service history. You know, absolutely belt and braces. It's just lovely. So it's born in 21 and it was done at 30,000 miles in 23. Then it was done in 24 and then 25. So I mean, it's all as good as it's ever going to be. You've got 2 keys. You've got your heated seat. Show you the roof. Nice and lovely. Great pan roofs, really great. Close off. But you can just see it's just kind of everything you really expect it to be. Climate control. Yeah. I mean, guys, you gotta come and see it. I mean, if you want one, this is it. This is the one. I'll show you outside it again. Also available, just to give you a bit of a heads up, I know we keep saying it, but you've got ceramic coating available. We can do ghost immobilizers, trackers, dash cams, they're good. Good finance rates at the moment, 9.9% representative APR, you know, which gives a good option for you. I mean, obviously the ceramic coating is very, very good as well. Full paint correction on the vehicle. We can send you details, obviously, if you're interested. So there you go. Well, I hope that's all right for you. I hope you've enjoyed that. You know where we are. Give us a call. Thanks, bye.